Hi, welcome back to Around the House with Cheryl. Cheryl here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hope you stick around and watch more of my videos. So today I'm showing you how I decorated my dining room for spring. I know I'm late with this video, but here it is. I didn't do anything special, just simple. Some plates that I already had and chargers that I already had. And I had two of these I guess they're wreaths, and I used them and just put a candle holder in between each. And everything I had here, and I didn't buy anything, but like I said, it's just something simple. Didn't want to put too much stuff out. But let me show you how I decorated my Curio this time. Okay, so up here, you see I got two little fairies, and I just used some of the same plates that I already had and the cut glass that I already had. You see those green plates are from the Dollar Tree. And I just used my cake stand I already had that has hydrangeas on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then my fake cake that I always like to use. And I had two, a bunny and a bird. Put them in there, use some of my milk glass. I think I said cut glass, but I meant milk glass. And down here I just had a little basket and that spring tray that I made a while back. And then I just put some flowers and a little girl inside the bird cage. If you can see, there's two sisters in there. Okay, so that's how I decorated my dining room this year for spring. Nothing special, but I just wanted to share it with you. One last quick thing. This little wreath on the wall. But that's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you like the best in this video. Okay? I will see you on the next one.